icyo dukomeje hakuno Ria yatashye mu rugo
better
meze neza mwana wanjye
be hungry after all that
nyuma ya byose se ubu ntushonje muzehe yamutekeye
quickly right
akira basi urye urebe ko wamera neza cyemeze neza
okay I'll leave it maybe you'll change your mind
reka mbisige wenda ushobora kuza kwisubiraho nta biryo nkeneye muzehe
for what
For this, I mean,
ubundi bimurimo ni ibiki bikize
what are you doing here?
ibyo muri gukora hano we na mama bite byanyu ko
Dad
nta bintu turi gukora mwana we
To be a dad?
shaka gukora iki kukubera papa kumbera papa
I needed Dad back when I was little.
nari nkeneye papa kera nkiri umwana cya gihe
In that hospital room, I was in plaster everywhere.
ubwo nari ndi mu bitaro nambaye amasima ahantu hose
No bone unbroken.
nta gufwa na rimwe mfite ritavunitse
Have as well, you know.
icyo gihe nibwo nari nkeneye papa wari uri he
Everyone thought I was crying because of pain, but I was crying because I missed you.
buri muntu wese yari ahari ari kurira ariko njye nari ncecetse kuko nari ngukumbuye wari uhari
Of course, I didn't know the truth since I was so small.
mu by'ukuri sinari nzi ukuri kwa nyako niyo mpamvu
You were an alcoholic.
sinari nzi ko uri umusinzi
It's
zabase
the death of 2 other people in the same accident.
umenye neza ko impanuka wankoresheje kiriya gihe yagendeye mu buzima bw'abandi bantu babiri
And cried for, and that is the honest truth, alright?
uko niko kuri kwa nyako rero sinkigukeneye muzi ubimenye ubyumva ubyiteho
Time doesn't heal anything, do you know that?
iriya hakuno
As you grow older, your wounds don't heal. They actually get bigger. My wound is bigger than you are now.
muze igikomere wanteye kiriya gihe cyabaye kinini kurusha uko ubitekereza uranyumva
Give up.
rekeraho
Please get out of my life.
umvire mu buzima ugende utumuke ndakurambiwe pe yamutakira umwana asiga amukoresheje impanuka ahita agenda iyo mpanuka ipfiramo abantu babiri yari yakura namwanga siko yishakiye n'undi mugore afite indi famiye kumba umusaza nawe yari ari isheni sinzi ibintu Natali yakoreye umusaza sorry Selina uyu musaza badashaka kuvuga sinzi impamvu hakuno vuye hano dore Selina
You really expect Mark?
ako shamaka nawe urakabya utegereje iki
Everything would be fixed with a game of family?
wari ubizi ko ibintu waje wumva ibintu bizakunda se bigakunda tukaba umuryango umwe
yes you're right Selina
cyane uravuga ukuri Selina
we're playing for nothing
turi kurishwa n'ubusa pe
I must tell my daughter the real cause of that accident
waretse se nkabwira umukobwa wanjye impamvu yateye byose uya umva maka maka oya
Don't you give the kid a little time?
nyine reka tubihe akanya dutegereze utabivugaho kabyara
I'll do what I can.
hasi ndaza gukora icyo nshoboye icyo ari cyo cyose
I swear.
ndakurahirira ni ukuri sho ndamwihorera urebe
Okay, stop. Like this.
sarekeraho kandi mera gutya
Are you comfortable?
uyu bamuciye mu rugo nawe yasubiye mu rugo rw'abakire niyo amata
Fine, my son.
byiza cyane muhungu
I'm
wanjye
in with your parents.
uri kumwe n'ababyeyi bawe icyo atazi yamumenye
Brother?
muvandi
Eve, slow down. Eve,
ureba kamwe efu ariko
down.
cyenda
Your brother had an operation and you too.
uribuka ko umuvandi wawe aribwo bakimubaga nawe kandi ari uko uretse ariko nawe ndetse mama hakuno
Eve,
eva
well, you're not mad at me, are you?
nizere ko utandakare hari ubwo ndakare
It's you that we would enter the new year together.
ntaraje ngo dusangire ibya bonane
I was mad. But then I forgave you.
nari narakaye ariko narakubabariye
Coming back from death is a very strong reason to...
kubera ko buriya kugaruka uva mu rupfu ni impamvu ikomeye yatuma nkubabarira niyo waba utansabye imbabazi
Fine, aren't you?
I wish you well.
Thank you.
nkwifurije kumera neza mwana urakoze Kalila
Where's Alex?
Alex ari hehe ariko arabizi Alex wa mugana ari hehe
He will stay at a friend's to recover himself first.
ntabwo aragaruka ari kubana n'inshuti ze ngo abanze yitekerezeho okay
Is he still hostile towards me, Dad?
ni ngombwa se ngo
Date.
bimere gutya reka Kalila dukaba kambaye ubusa
No one has to like anyone, but I was expecting him to show.
ndabizi ko njye nawe tutamenye neza ariko byibura nari natekereje ko yaza no kunsura birangira ataje.
Remember, he's upset.
Ase mwibuka ko yarakariye.
Not brother.
Ntago yarakariye umuvandimwe, yarakariye muzehe wa Mutimbo.
Talk to him for you.
Basi ndaza kumuvugisha ku bwanyu ndebe ko yagaruka mu rugo nari. Kumbe muzehe aza ahantu umwana ari.
With Granddad.
Agiranye ikibazo na sogokuru.
Granddad beat him up because of you.
Sogokuru yaramukubise kubera wowe.
So your presence and absence torment us.
Waba uri hano, waba udari, ubundi byose biratubanga bivuka
Will be over soon now.
Humura biraza kurangira vuba. Humura pe. Humura vuba biraza kurangira Kalila we. Kakarira gaco. Yep. Yasigaye hano.
What does that mean?
Shatse kuvuga iki?
But I'm not angry with Alex, Mom.
Ndakubwiye ngo ntago nkimurakariye mama. Oya. Sinyimurakariye pe.
I just pity him.
Ahubwo mufitiye impuhwe utabasha kwiyumvisha. Sinzi yamana ibintu ari gupanga. Sinzi yamana ibintu ari gupanga nje sinzi. Hakuno tuje ntago nkimurakariye ahubwo mufitiye impuhwe. Bikabije kumbe hakuno. Alex yibere hano. No. Alex ari hakuno. Sigurishya mu gitondo mu gatondo. Sigaye aba muri hoteli ahantu muzehe yamujyanye. Ngarebe yuko Alice yaba yamuhamagaye wapi nta message call ya Alice afitemo. Ya ninja.
Only right in.
Kumbe Alice nawe yifite akandiko cyasize kimwandiki kimubwira nibyo cyamubwiye byose.
Were you really expecting Alice girl?
Ubundi se wari unyitege nari ntegereje ibiki ko ndakagurya koko. Nari ntegereje ibiki. Shiraho mwamagara yubika agafone ndamwiyamye umukinga ibara mukupa kariya kaninja aba kiyemera kankupa wagwana ibite byako. Alex uyu ndari hano.
Say it, go on. They'll take my statement and I'll say I was high.
Nubundi ndaza gutanga statement ivuge ko nari high. Ninde mupusha iwamaye ibiyobyabwenge ni wowe.
Go to jail together.
Ubwo turajyana muri gereza. Ndubivuge rwose genda untange nta kibazo bintwaye ikizi.
For my son.
Kibuka amagambo nyuma yamubwiye.
The bug and no one will even know.
Zagusyonyora nk'usyonyora ikinyenzi cyangwa igiheri. Nta n'uzamenya ibyabaye kirondwe.
You can't do this. You can't. We don't deserve this.
Ntakintu bikwiriye ntabwo ari ngombwa twari kwicira ngo urabona wari hano.
Get that through to your head, man.
Umusongera utekereze neza. Kwivugisha.
What's going on?
Kibazo ki?
It's nothing.
Ntacyo. Sho.
Hey, what's wrong?
Tukiye kibazo ariko. Mushiki wanjye rw'inama. Abo bana barakundana nubwo baba bapingana ubona bashondana barakundana.
Your blessings, okay?
Caesar, what's going on?
Caesar, niki kiri kujya mbere?
It's what it's supposed to be, Alice.
Uko byakabaye bigenda nyine niko bigomba kugenda.
Whatever it takes now.
Icyo biri buze kunsaba icyo aricyo cyose genda hasi kukica muri.
Caesar, what?
Caesar, ibite byawe ariko Caesar byagenze bite? Byagenze bitaco. Caesar, wowe twiviriye aho twigarukira hakuno kwa George. George, yep.
What is
Shirano.
Did your man's room change?
Yamani mwami muri cyumba.
Yaman was discharged.
Uja yamani twamusezeye. Kuki?
Without asking me?
Mutambashije.
Billy gave her approval and they returned home.
Natali yamwemereye gusohoka aramusinyira bamujyana mu rugo. Kuki? Yarababaye sha umwana wanje. Muri abajinga basigaye bamenyerera umwana nyuma y'ibibazo byose. Yarababaye sha George. Ngo arakwereka hako naravuye yasaze. Avuye hano. Caesar, kuza kureba itara barisimbuje bashyizemo irindi rishyashya.
You say you can walk in the snow and not show your tracks?
Kinge wari uziko ibi bintu wabivamo ugasibanganya ibimenyetso bigakunda ndaza kukwemeza. Ndaza kukwemeza ntugire ngo biciriyeho. Jano. Kinaye yibere hano. Sinzi ngari gupanga ibicazo ukuri ariko yacecetse nta n'umuntu yabibwiye. Yaje kumureba.
Brother.
Muvande.
Come, Caesar.
kaza neza Caesar.
You escaped from death again.
Wongeye ucika urupfu.
I protected you.
Mana yakurinze
What happened?
cyagenze bite?
There is something up with you.
Ko mbona wajya ufite ikibazo?
Brother, we have to speak right now.
Umusa dukeneye kuvuga. Ninyaje kuraburiza Alex.
Do you remember when I said that I saw Alex that night?
Uribuka ibyo nakubwiye ririya joro nabonye Alex?
Just
Drove the car on us, right?
Ko yatugonze n'ibyo wari ugiye kuza
To kill us then.
humura.
for real?
Ibyo ndabizi
Got
byanyabyo
it then.
ko nta kintu abikozeho.
God damn him. I didn't want to believe it.
Mwana njye nta nubwo nshaka kubyizera ko ari Alex wakoze biriya
I
bintu.
repaired so soon.
What car?
He had a broken right headlight. He had it replaced immediately.
Iyi modoka yiwe yahise abikemura ibibazo byose itara ryari ryamenetse yarisimbuje.
About it.
The next day I saw the car driving around in the neighborhood.
ubundi wamubonye umunsi wakurikiye ijoro yari yarayakugonze namubonye muri karitsiye akakumubwira ko yahuye na Alice banararanye
Him for a sec. What I don't
namubonye
understand is
itara
you're
ryamenetse.
okay. The Yemen I know would have broken his jaw by now.
ubundi cye ntabwo ndi kumva ibintu uri kwinjira yamana inzi akaba yamumennye nk'urwasaya bite.
There's a father in his life who shows him.
umva afite se umurengera wabaye nk'ingabo imukingira mu bintu byose.
He can get away with any crime.
icyaha icyo ari cyo cyose yakora n'ubundi akivamo yemeye. Iki
That man Caesar
uriya musore rero Caesar uriya mugabo
is tricking everyone,
ari gukina abantu bose. uriya mugabo ngo ni Steven Caesar
and Grandpa included.
harimo na sogokuru.
So,
none
what will you do?
urabikoraho iki?
What's the plan? Just say it.
tuwe mupango mbwira
I'm going
mupango.
to show everyone the true face of those two.
ndashaka kuza kwerekana isura ya bariya bombi babiri be Alex abe na se.
He'll help me with that.
ahubwo uraza kumfasha cyangwa
Go there, brother.
weho mura ndagufasha
Guys.
muvandi kabone naho byansaba gupfa ngenda hari ubu yari hakuno. Alex ari kuba muri hoteli yarakwepye ntazi ngo bigeze sigarara mu maroji kubera ibyaha.
What the hell is this?
bini ibice urimo
Aren't you ever gonna wise up?
ntabwo ushaka kwiyakira ngo wumve
It's
ibyaha.
over now.
umva
Captivity is over.
ibintu byarangiye sibyo gute.
But Yaman Ali is home, so you know.
Yamanari ari mu rugo ubwo ngwino dutahe reka reka nisubiyeyo nimba ari
I'm okay to stay here if he's here.
ugumano nta kintu bintwaye nimba
Your
ari mu rugo.
senses.
we
Get out
tuza
of this state of mind immediately. Go home and carry on with
nakubwiye ngo
life has
tuza
happened.
bakiri ibintu usubire mu rugo ugende witware nkaho wakabaye nk'uko wakabaye witwara birangirire hariya nanyuma
Don't worry.
igira ikibazo.
It won't last long anyways. I'll get rid of him somehow.
ubundi si ikibazo cyabikiye ko byose biri buze gutunga.
You seem to forget you're Stephen Sherrington's son.
ako umenye uri kwibagirwa ko uri umwana wa Steven Shelton Shaw.
It's done too. Trust me.
nyizera mwana we nyizera nta kintu cyaba na kimwe.
Get ready. Let's go.
itunganya ahubwo uze tugende itunganya uze tugende turavuga. Steven Shelton baje kumucyura mu rugo ni Alex.
Is your man here?
Yamana
Come
rero
in. Wait a minute.
yaje kureba umwana bure atari ku buriri.
Yaman!
Yamani we yaje amakara umwana wanjye ari hehe mwamukoze ibiki?
George, what's
George
going on?
bite byawe we kuze uteza
I
akavuga.
got it from
inside.
here. Okay, what's going
Where
on?
is
iki kiri kujya
How dare you
ko
just...
tutinyuka gutwara umurwayi
Out of
wanjye
point.
tutabivuganya by'umwihariko ari umwana
You're
wanjye.
his father of us? Huh?
uri kwibagirwa ko
Play
ni
with me now.
Who?
Je kumutwara ze
His house. Will you calm down?
we aha niwe watuza wagabanyije.
Yaman!
George.
Yamani George
George.
Son
George,
came to take you home. Come on.
Genje gutwara umwana
He's
wanjye mu
right
rugo.
here.
Your man is home.
na hano ni iwabo ari
You get it? I neither trust that jerk Stephen.
kiriya kibarirwa ni Steven singizera ku buryo nagisigira umwana wanjye.
George, you've gone mad. Will you calm down?
ese watuza George
Nick
ko muna
Palmer and the Sherringtons. They're insane to be around. I'm sorry
noneho
now.
murakeka ko umwana wanjye ari Yamani Shelton ngo nceceke iki.
Has been father to this boy all this
He
time.
is no father.
uriya ni papa w'umwana uriya nta mupapa
Open your eyes.
kiriya kintu akazi cy'umugabo wawe
Not even a bit.
abe n'akanzinya Yamani
Shout.
Doctor,
vuga
Son, we're leaving.
ngwino hano tugende wa
not
mwana
coming.
njye nta hantu njya
Son,
Which
This is not a good place for you.
wamwana ahantu nagara ahantu ukwiriye kuba.
Doctor,
Muga,
I already trust you, okay?
urabizi ndakwizera.
I'm just not coming with you.
Ariko ntago turi bujyane.
Just tell me why.
Mbwira impamvu.
Just give me a reason.
Ni impamvu imwe
A
yonyine.
valid reason to leave you with these.
Cyangwa ari
Alright.
impamvu ifatika
My
ndakureka.
mom, Doctor.
Your mother.
Kubera ko hano hari mama wanjye. Mama
Her
wawe.
eyes are blind.
Mama wawe amaso ye ni nk'impumyi.
Protect him, but there's nothing to protect him
You
from.
can't even protect yourself here now.
Nta nubwo wakwirinda we ngurandindira umwana.
Protect yourself here?
Wowe ubwawe hano muri uru rugo uririnda umodi imikino bagukina ujye
They're in
uyibona.
the middle of life.
Cyangwa uba uri aho umeze nk'umuntu uri aho hagati wasamye.
If you can't calm down, go out and take
Niba
a bath.
utatuza sohoka ugende uhumeke ukure akayaga ndaje tuvugane. Muga. Sohoka.
Come with me, Doctor.
Ngwino tujyane muga ngwino tujyane.
Look here. I won't be leaving this house
Umva
without
ntabwo
you.
mva muri iyi nzu tutujyanye wa
Drag
mwana.
you like a child.
Ntabwo gusiga kugira ngo muga. Nyizera. Nyizera.
Just
Wowe.
trust me for once, will you?
Nyumva bwari mwe basi ku bwawe yamupfumbatiza agapapuro y'abandi nawe tangiye kujya akora ibintu yabishyize mu bwenge nta guhubagurika. Shyira hakuno wembabarire bimfashemo 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 bimfashemo.
Trust me now.
Cyenda cawu cawu. Sibikemutse se meri. Sibikemutse.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza hano.
Let's get back upstairs.
Reka dusubire hejuru reka dusubire hejuru yo kureba hano.
3 hours later.
Mu masaha 3 nyuma. Tuze kubonana hari ibintu nshaka kukubwira. Sinzi. Sigo yamana ari gupanga ibikije sinzi. Yamani yitwaye budisipurine ari kwitwara nk'umujistoma. Sinzi gahunda afite noneho kuri inshuro.
A gift has never been wrapped like you. Here you go.
Araza kuzanira hakuno ikintu cy'igikarito nisiza.
Here you go now.
Umusakikira.
Listen, you man.
Don't worry, brother is safe with me.
Fine.
We ntugire ikibazo. Gipfunyika cye kirarinzwe turi kumwe.
Okay, give it to me now.
Okay.
Hold it.
Fasha.
Okay.
Sawa.
Huh? Wait, I'll give you the address.
Reka nkohereza aderesi.
This is it.
Nahangaha.
Listen to me.
Umva.
You'll give the package and then you'll...
Ugende ubahereza icyo gipfunyika uhita ugaruka igitaraganya nta zindi zaka.
Done.
Kinda kandi ubinkorere. Baba peti baba barakuranye imihanda babwira bakamwumva. Haro yahaye igikarito hakura ati kinjanirana. Ndaje ndebe imikino yawe wa mukiga umaze iminsi uri gukina. Umaze iminsi uri gukina turaza kureba ngo ni ibiki. Sho? Yagaciyo. Ome Nathalie nayo hakuno mu rugo Alex aratashye. Alex aratashye. Gerano Nyiramana yari aramutegereje. Aramurwaye nta muntu n'umwe yigeze abibwira nta n'uzi kabizi usibye. Siza niwe wenyine babiziranyeho. Jean. Do. Irya ryimwa n'indyamiriza. Ubundi umuntu ntaguhisha ko kwanga uzamuhishe kubizi.
I'm glad you're okay.
Tewe ishema komeze.
Did they make you say that at gunpoint or what? Did you hate me that much?
Ase mwana uranyanga bingana kuriya.
Just because we call it an accident doesn't mean it was a simple thing.
Kubera ko ari impanuka nayikize ntago bivuze ko byari ibintu byoroshye.
I thought we were at the end of the line.
Nari nzi ko tugiye gupfa Genaliya.
We were dying.
Twari turi gupfa nako. Ntago twari tugiye gupfa twari turi gupfa. Do, Alex ariko nase.
You know, it's a very strange feeling, this
Nababeshi.
whole movie strip thing.
Abari byinshi utakwiyumvisha ugiye gupfa uri kubona ibintu byose bikunyura mu maso.
Before my eyes, like a movie.
Usika ibintu byose naciyemo byaciye imbere nk'aho ari filime.
You don't think about resentment or sadness.
Ntago uri gutekereza ubwe cyagahinda.
We don't really love each other, but you're still my family.
Mwana, dushobora kuba wenda tudakundana ariko uracyari umuryango wanjye. Sibyo?
So you saw me too,
Nanje warambonye none.
in that movie strip.
Muri iyo movie uvuga wabonye muri iyo filime wabonye ubwo wari ugiye gupfa cyane narakubonye. Narakubonye kabisa narabyibuka nakibonye ikigoryi kikimara kumugonga. Kiri guco kitanatabaye cyangwa gitabaze. Arakirwaye azagifatira zakica icyonze cyo. Yamana ari kwitwara mu buryo ntazi nje si.
For you the most.
Nawe nabonye cyane muri iyo filime. Humura wowe kabisa.
Let's just say there's good in every bad thing and be done with it.
Let's say it.
Reka tuvuge ko ibyabaye ubwo byabaye byaragiye. Reka tubivuge gutyo ntari. Shiraho.
Alex, dear?
Alex.
This is for you, I think.
Hari igipfunyika bakuzaniye ndakeka ari icyawe.
Important.
Inyakanda ari ingenzi yamanda seka maze aho giturutse. Aza aho giturutse do.
I wonder who it's from then.
What is it, son?
Ibyo ni ibiki mwana?
No, there's no name.
Simbizi nta zina
It's
riri.
written inside.
Wabona izina ririmo indani kira urebe. Fungura urebe. Fungura hakuno arebemo. Mu gikarito kiri hano. Kureba mu gikarito. Bamwoherereje itara ry'imodoka. Ibyo wakoze. Ku gapapuro handitseho ibyo wakoze ndabizi. Gasani. Uyu yarikanga dore y'amana ukuntu ari kumureba do.
What is it?
Ikibazo ki? Uyu arapfundikiwe.
What is it, son?
Ni ibiki mwana wanjye? Bigenze bite wagwana?
Nothing important? Here,
Nta kintu cy'ingenzi kirimo ntacyo.
that joke from my friends.
Ni igipfunyika kivuye ku nshuti yanjye ziba ziri gukina nanjye.
What's the matter?
Ikibazo kize?
You're looking so down right now.
Ko mbona wese ucika intege bikugendekeye bite? Wagwani?
That's what's inside it then.
Indani se ubundi harimo iki? Ntabwo ari ibintu by'ingenzi nta byadanje.
Just didn't like it at all. That's it.
Nuko wenda aba ari impano umuntu aguhaye ntuyikunde. Okay.
Anyway,
Hagati aho
if the get well soon phase is over,
I'm going.
njye mbaye ngenda ceka ibyo twari turimo hano byarangiye. Njye mbaye ngiye aguterurira ikarito yiwe irimo itara ry'imodoka co. Bamwoherereje akantu kamwibutsa ibyo yakoze mu itara ry'imodoka co. Yamani ni ubikoze ariko none yatangiye kujya akina imikino nk'iyo bamukina. Ubundi ndyarya n'indyamiriza.
Alex, what's wrong?
Alex, ikibazo ki? Uze kugera hano.
Son, what rubbish is this?
Wa mwana iki ni igicuri kukimaza iki? Itara rya ya modoka ryamenetse kirandure ye muze.
I know what you did.
Sibyo wakoze? Iki?
You said that no one saw it.
So wambwiye ko nta muntu wakubonye niko nabiketse nanjye.
Yaman,
Ni Yamanis?
does he remember?
Ntabwo ubyibuka niba yaba
if it
yarakubaza.
was him, he wouldn't bother this much.
Iyo aba ari we ntabwo yari kwivuna gutya.
Instead,
Ubu nari kuba nanapfuye yari kumpitana.
it must be that idiot.
Cyawasa ari cya kigoryi. Cya Kayizari
God
cyasiza.
damn it.
Kira kikarita.
He was threatening you?
Niwe wari uri kugutera ubwoba cyane.
What does he have?
Agufite amakuru angana.
No, Alex.
Azi ibingana gute Alex?
He doesn't know.
Nta kintu azi. Nako arabizi ariko
He must have seen the car.
wabona yarabonye imodoka itara ryamenetse.
For problems.
Okay, don't
Okay.
do this to anyone.
We ntugire
Be
icyo.
calm now. I'll take care of that ass.
Ibindi byose ndaza kubikemura na kino kigoryi ndacyita wigikiriza. Oya.
I'll take care of it, Dad.
Reka bari njye ubyitaho muze.
You were telling me to get up. See ya.
Si wambwiye se ngo mpaguruke nitandukanye n'ibiri kunzirika.
Probation 2.
Rero reka mpere kuri ibi ngibi byikemura.
Father, there will be no problem.
Papa nta kibazo we wibigira ikibazo nawe.
Information on him, Dad.
Nanjye hari amakuru mufiteho muze.
And mouth.
Kandi ayo makuru aratuma afungura we ntugire ikibazo. Tuza ntaribi byihorere. Byihorere ntaribi byihorere. Ubuye nayo hakuno mama.
Down.
Ngena sharana.
Don't bother now.
Mama wihangayika.
Doctor didn't want you upset.
Muganga ntabwo yashakaga kurakara.
He's saying that I couldn't protect myself.
Byavuze ngo
Is he
sinanakwirinda.
protecting me just now?
Don't be angry.
None se utangiye kundinda nawe
Doctor's not
oya.
a bad guy, you
Mama wirakara ariko. Nabizi aba ari abantu babi. Kiraho. Muze
It's my
nawe.
dear grandson now.
Uzukuru waje umeze ute sha? Niko.
Stop, please.
Don't be like a guest right now, son. This
Nakwigira nk'umushyitsi.
so relax.
Tuza.
This before, I will be like this
Hano nawe
after.
ni iwawe
Right.
mwana wanjye tuza reka kwigira gutyo.
Don't ever leave again, okay?
Kandi ntuzigire wongera kugenda
You
utavuze.
leave your entire family and home behind. when
Ukagenda ugasiga umuryango wawe wose ukadusiga inyuma wa mwana.
Look,
Umva.
parents are here.
Ababyeyi bawe bari
We are
hano.
here.
Turi hano.
You have everything.
Ufite byose.
Nothing. Thank God, right?
Nta kintu na kimwe kitari hano uba ugiye gushaka iki. Kandi
Of
koko
course.
uyu muryango ni abakire muri karitsiye nako mu gihugu
Not
cyose.
to see George.
That would be really wrong.
wenda biriya George yavuze
Find your
yibeshaga
kids like that? Stephen is the one who is most affected.
yego wenda George niwe papa wawe ariko aribesha Steven nawe kuba arakoze impanuka byamukoze
And that's good.
kandi ibyo ni sawa
You are so lucky.
uri umunyamahirwe ufite abapapa babiri
Should we have that New Year dinner we couldn't make?
none se bwa bunani mwari mwanyemereye se tuze kubusangira ko ntaburiye
Yes.
nendaga gupfa bitwaye iki se mwana wanjye
Of course we'll do it.
cyane turaza kubikora pe
I'll
turaza
prepare
kubikora
right away.
Okay.
reka njye kubitunganya wowe umusana ari wa mwana
Anything, just call me, okay?
nugera icyo ukenera umpamagare sawa mama sawa kabisa cyecura cyo ne yakuno Yaman Ali Soyselan Basigaye ari Soyselan cyangwa sigari Aiden Yaman Ali Aiden
Alex has finally come home. Tell him that if he does anything outrageous,
Alex yatashe mubwire ko nagira ikintu cy'umugoryi akora ndogera nka mutimba
You make your grandchildren bother's father?
ese nuko ugiye kurera abuzukuru bawe muze
And resenting the other?
ugiye gutuma umwe yanga undi ukubita umwe umuhora amakosa y'undi
Hadn't hit George. And I hadn't hit Ellie for my children. Do you think we would be here?
cyose nta makosa iyo utaza kubivangamo George ntabwo nari guhisha umwana sibyo bakiraho Alex
Alex, come here.
Alex ngwino
let's talk, Alex.
ngwino tuvugane sha Alex we
Alex.
Alex ngwino tuvugane ngwino
Please.
nakwinginze
An end. Let's go talk.
ngwino tuvugane
Now, there were some unfortunate events first the other night.
ndabizi hari ibibazo byabaye rya joro ngukubita
But you must admit, you were mostly to blame.
ariko ugomba kubyemera amakosa yari ayawe singusaba imbabazi ndabyemera
Listen, son.
yumva mwana
If you're going to be angry,
nimba ugiye kurakarira
be
umuntu
angry with me, okay?
aba ari njye urakarira
Your brother is innocent in the story, just like you.
umuvandimwe ni inzirakarengane muri iyi nkuru nk'uko nawe uri inzirakarengane
You came into this world without knowing what you will go through.
uza muri isi ntiwari uzi ibyo ugiye kunyuramo
Make each other pay for the mistakes of us.
rero wituma abandi bishyira amakosa twe
Do
twakoze
that for us.
wibidukorera wa mwana sibyo
No, I want you to promise me.
ndagira ngo nsezere
You don't have to love him,
si ngombwa ngo ukunde yamara
but you will at least respect him.
ariko byibura wige kumwubaha si ngombwa ko umukunda ariko umwubahe ibyo ntibihagije
Okay.
sawa
Well done.
byiza cyane
Good boy.
byiza cyane sha si wumva uri umwana mwiza nawe none sha uzedi we munyagiceri niwe umutunze famiye aba yarashinze bizinesi akayisigamo abana sha vuye hano kugera hano imodoka itara barishyizemo umuze aba yarabikurikiranye byose muze ibintu byose aba yarabikurikiranye itara barishyizemo shyira gutya kandagira imodoka cumi yabagiye garuka ariko uvuga ati ubu nshaka y'inzara nje fatira ndakica ciyo shakomanga shota urugi igi
Down, jeez.
mana yanjye kureba hakuno Alice afunguye asanga ni iki ngiki do
Alice?
Alice gisigaye
Did you
kimukunda
come here?
kuki uje hano
Go find yourself another wall.
genda ushake yasize amwandikiye akandiko genda ushake izindi ntambara zitari hano
I'm so fine.
umeze neza cyane hari ikindi
Will
ushaka
cry after you?
wari uzi ko nzakurira
Good.
byiza
I'm glad.
byiza cyane ubwo umeze neza
The tears part choke me. It's not good for me.
Does the beating feel good?
ariko biri kumbabaza bikanambangamira bimeze nk'ibiga kuba tutameranye
What do you want
neza
now?
ndakwiyama tumuka
Believe me, I'm confused too.
nyizera nanjye biba byanshanze
But why I'm here?
ariko nta nubwo ariyo mpamvu tumuka ariko wakikuryo.
Is that idiot Caesar here?
Cya kigoryi ngo ni Caesar kiri hano.
And I won't bother you now.
Bwira nimba ari sindi bwongere
What
kukubaza.
to do with Caesar?
Caesar mufitanye icyo kibazo.
But he keeps causing troubles.
Uriya mujiga namugiye kure ariko ari gukomeza kunteza ibibazo.
Long story.
Ni inkuru ndende.
No.
Oya.
He's not home. I don't know.
Nta uri hano rero. Bwatumuka none se. Alice.
It was real for me.
Kenya mari byabaye byari byanyabyo tumuka arumara imbere kaptenari.
At least for that night.
Sibura ririya joro. Menye ko byari byanyabyo nubwo wenda nabyutse nkwandikira utuntu ntazi. Mwibuke uzi ko yari baryamanye n'aba bangaye batatu. Ni batatu. Uyu mukobwa Alex Siza we yarabimenya abafite amakuru atariho ivumbi. Ikintu cya mbere ni amakuru buri. Ikintu cya mbere ni amakuru. Siza abafite amakuru kandi ku gihe. Ciao. Kwereka kuno Siza ari gutaha.
You maniac!
Mukaritasi urasaza.
Right now, little rat.
What have we done?
Ichi.
What's this?
Send it. What do you want? How much do you want? Let's finish this.
I don't say no to money much, but I really don't understand.
And you're running this blackmail game.
If shit falls from the sky, you'll say it's Caesar. I said yes and I stopped. But you were killing me, man.
So it's not you?
If I did it, I respect him. He really set you on fire.
Look at me. Lie, and I catch you firsthand, I swear to you.
Get yourself out of this first, and then you'll see the truth. Hey, move this car out of the way. You're blocking people.
The one we're looking for is not Caesar.
Yaman, what happened? I was worried. You said it's urgent.
I have some things to say to my family at dinner, but I don't. So I need to ask you a favor. Just recovering, but if an hour.
What is that you can't tell to Eve? I wonder if there's a problem for me to know.
No, there's no problem. But now I need to go to the neighborhood first. Me, Ria, what I'm afraid of is that Alex causes trouble again. I don't
Yaman, should I be worried? You know, secret things like this don't end up good.
Will end up good. No games now. No scene. There won't be. Promise.
Hey, what do you say? Well, you tell me later, though.
If my mother asks. I'm with you. Cover me, will you?
To take Eve out, or because I was going to...
See you when I get the chance. You can trust me that, okay? Neighborhood.
ugeze ni kuba nekatiye sakatiza mu karisiye kambe nekatiye sakatiza mu karisiye naje tuyambe Alex afite umuturika w'imodoka shaho Alex igiceri cy'iwabo nawe asigaye gifiringa I mean byamani yabonye n'ubundi byose ni kimwe sho ebe sho
You were on silent as well.
Stupid
Alex was asking.
He's good when in your room and bad now that you're calling him stupid?
Why was he looking for you?
He's in trouble, so he's blaming me. It's exposed, that's why he's looking for me. We'll learn the things he did, that's why he's looking. Everyone will know, you should know. You drove into Yemen and Riyadh. Over the ravine, and he's the cause of the accident. Crucial part of the matter for you. Cypress Heights, sweet sister. That's clear as day now. You're such a devil. Such a devil, Alice.
Alice.
He could say that he was with Alice that night. He made you a witness. If you asked me, I would have said Alice was the smartest girl. Set you up. What should I tell you now then?
Shaka nkubwira iki Alice yarumiwe kire kigoryi cyaramukoresheje ababaye ebe ndawe hano yama yigarukiye muri za karitsiye shawuri yako imbaje kuhakora iki ebe hakuno sahano uje kureba muganga George ari hano Eden Papa,
what in the world are you up to?
Look,
you tell me right now, because let me tell you I'm here. Son, I'm up to here right now.
Just hang in there, doctor. Hang in there.
Dan! Where Petit?
It's here, man.
Did you handle it?
Just abikemuye cyane. Muzaniye hano nimpari ibiki. Amuzaniye kamera.
The rest?
I brought it too.
Ibindi shyira hakuno n'agatelefone.
Thanks, boy.
Sarakoze Petit. Rakoze sha.
Son?
No.
What are you after?
Tambeshiri mu biki.
I want everyone to see what a jerk this turn.
Ndashaka ko abantu bose babona ukuri bakabona isura ya Yuriya mugabo.
Stephen Sherrington.
Stephen Sherrington. Shaka umutamaza bakamubona bakamumenya bakamwota. Ibyo ngiye kumukorera nanjye. Gukorera ku muhumetso atiretse. Ako ngugu imatiretse gukorera iki n'iki muryamanye. Kumbu yari hano. Message yakiriye.
If you don't show up in 3 hours with $5 million in cash, the police will knock on your door.
The
number you're calling is out of use.
Besides, why would he be after the money?
So who
is this?
There must have been another witness.
bivuze ngo hari undi mutangabuhamya
you were Sherrington.
Akimara kumenya kuri Sherrington,
Wesley decided to blackmail you.
Yaravuze ati reka nanjye mukagishe ko mbizi bavane mu maki.
So what will we do then?
Turakora iki rero?
Do what he says?
Dukora ibyo avuze.
We just give him the amount he needs then?
Tumuha amafaranga angana gutyo. Miliyoni 5 cash.
You're no longer involved in this matter, Alex.
Ibi bintu ntabwo kibirimo mwana wanjye, iki kibazo ntabwo kikirimo. Wapi? Ubu ni ikibazo cyanjye bwite. Ubu ni ikibazo cyanjye bwite. Yep. Ibyo byarabaye. Kwereka ko muri famiye.
Isn't she coming? Should I get her? No,
Eva ari he? Njye
he
kumuza.
went to the movies with Ria.
Oya yagiye kureba gasobanuro yajanye na Ria ntawe uhari.
Been too long since the girl went outside.
Arashize n'igihe kinini uriya mwana batamusohokana mube mwihanganye rero. Baba ari hano. Ngo baje kurya bunani batariye bona.
There's Stephen.
Ako Stephen.
Come soon, Dad.
Araza mu kanya.
A bit late, but he'll come.
Yabize ubu abona ari ibintu ahugiye bariko mu kanya araza.
Now, let's start.
Reka tubanze tube turi kurya twirira ibindi turabimenya.
Sit there.
Ebe.
Let's put this bad days behind. We have suffered. Been through a lot. Let's enjoy our meal now. Side by side. Shakespeare as kind and two.
Okay.
Then not even the army can destroy you no matter what. You will succeed.
Mwese nababona muri gutsinda muranyumva. Yamani na Alex icyo batazi nuko Alex yamuregeje umwanda agiye kumwica abuze rimwe ritanga abiri.
Come on.
Mugire tugire bataragira.
Enjoy your meal.
Muryoherwe bana banje muryoherwe. Hakuno. Kanjira kurjano. Mani sinzi gahunda afite y'ubutsi filime. Uca kuri Ganza TV kuri decoder ya Star Times. Naje dukomeze n'indi episode. Naje turebe ngo ibiki. Ciao bye bye.